Are you ready to start your entrepreneurial journey but don't know where to begin? With $10,000 in hand, you can launch a small business that has potential to grow big. In today's video, I will share 10 small business ideas that you can start with $10,000 in the US. So if it's your first time to see this face on YouTube, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I will be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So let's dive in. The first business idea that you can start with $10,000 in US is to start an online boutique. Start an online boutique selling clothing or accessories. Use your $10,000 to source inventory. Platforms like Shopify makes it easy to set up your online store. Now here are a budget breakdown. Number 1, use $5,000 for inventory, $2,000 for website and branding, and $3,000 for online. Expand your product line or collaborate with influencers to grow your business. The next fantastic idea that you can start in 2025 with $10,000 in US is to start coffee cart business. People love coffee, and you can capitalize on this by starting a coffee cart. Target high traffic areas like parks and complexes. Here is a budget breakdown. $6,000 for coffee cart and supplies, $2,000 for permits and licenses, $2,000 for branding initials and marketing. After your business starts to gain traction, you can scale by adding more carts or transition to a cafe as your brand grows. The next business idea that you can start with $10,000 in the US is to start mobile car detailing services. A mobile car detailing business is a high-demand service in urban areas. Invest in eco-friendly cleaning, supplies, and equipment to stand out. Here are the budget breakdown. $4,000 for equipment, $3,000 for transportation, and another $3,000 for branding and ads. Once your business starts to gain momentum, you can hire additional staffs and expand to fleet services for businesses. Now the next business idea with $10,000 in hand is to start a cleaning service. Start a residential or commercial cleaning services. It is simple, affordable, and always in demand. Here is a budget breakdown. $2,500 for cleaning supplies and equipment, $3,000 for transportation and insurance, $4,500 for marketing and hiring staff. Scalability: expand to multiple locations or offer specialized services like deep cleaning. Now the next business idea that you can start in the US with $10,000 in hand is to start a social media management agency. Businesses need social media to thrive, and you can help them manage their accounts. Use $10,000 to invest in tools, training, and marketing. Here is a budget breakdown. $2,000 for social media tools, $3,000 for branding and websites, $5,000 for ads and networking. Now scalability: grow your team and target bigger clients for higher income. Now the next fantastic idea that you can start in 2025 with $10,000 in your hand is to start the business of pet sitting and dog walking service. So if you love animals like me, this is the best business for you. Pet sitting and dog walking services are highly sought after. Here's a budget breakdown. $2,000 for certification and insurance, $2,500 for marketing, $5,500 for transportation and supplies. When your business starts to gain traction, offer boarding or grooming services. Now the next business idea that you can start in 2025 with $10,000 in your hand in the US is to start Food delivery or meal prep business. Start a meal prep or food delivery service, catering to busy professionals or health-conscious individuals. Here is a budget breakdown. Take $5,000 for kitchen equipment and ingredients, $3,000 for licensing and packaging, and $2,000 for marketing. Partner with local gyms or expand to collaborate meal plans. The next business idea that you can venture in 2025 in US with $10,000 is to start a photograph business. Invest in good camera and start a photograph business. Weddings, events, and social media content are always in high demand. Here's a budget breakdown. $4,000 for camera and equipment, $2,000 for website and portfolio, and $4,000 for marketing and transportation. When your business gains momentum, you can hire additional photographers or expand into videography. Another lucrative business idea that you can venture in 2025 is to start handmade craft business. If you are a creative, sell items like jewelries, home decor, or candles. Platforms like Etsy makes it easy to reach customers. Here's a budget breakdown. $3,000 for materials, $2,000 for branding and website, and $5,000 for ads and shipping. The next business idea that you can venture in 2025 is to become a personal fitness trainer. Become a personal fitness trainee and help clients to achieve their fitness goals. Offer one-on-one session or group training. Here's a budget breakdown. $2,000 for certification, $3,000 for equipment, $5,000 for branding and customer acquisition. When your business starts to gain traction, expand online with fitness courses or open a small studio. These are 10 small business ideas that you can start in US with $10,000 in 2025. And remember, every great business starts with a single step. So pick an idea that excites you and get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you cannot miss our future uploads. Share this video with your friends who want to start business out there. Until the next time, God bless you. Bye.